I give everybody that I sell a trailer to one of these really nice canvas bags. They come in handy. Hi, I'm Barb, and I'm with Guaranty in Trailers and Vans. I'm going to talk to you today about the 191 RBS. This is a Coachmen Apex. Really a nice little trailer, super inexpensive, and only 21 feet. So it's got a nice walk-around bed, a double sink, a nice range top, a microwave, a full-size refrigerator. It's got a small slide on it, so it gives you a lot of movement with a beautiful dinette. Of course, we have air conditioning. It features the front window, so you can see out when you're parked out there, and a bureau on each side, storage up above. A beautiful bathroom with a mass amount of storage in that. So you've got cabinetry. You've got a really nice shower. It's what we call a flat shower, so plenty of room to move around. Skylight overhead, a basin, a medicine cabinet, some storage down below, and a massive storage next to the toiletry. And you get a full-size sink. So these are very, very popular. Lots of folks are looking for an ultralight trailer to tow because of the towing capacity and also the availability for you to be able to get into an RV park. So this is only weighing 3,300 pounds. A little, give or take a little bit. It's got Bluetooth. It has indoor-outdoor speakers. It's got a full awning that goes all the way down the RV with LED lighting. It's just a dandy little trailer for a really good price. You can get into this thing very inexpensively. We're looking for trades, and we take anything in on trade. So give me a call. My name is Barbara. I'm at 541-521-4232, and we can talk about the 191 RBS Apex, stock number T40768. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you. Come on out.